bad at the end. And I just was way too aggressive. Alright, what are we then Squid? Or let's talk about what we're doing real quick.
Yeah, I'm totally fine with swapping to dive if you guys want to do that though.
Yeah, like what do we want?
Let's just try doing brute force first, like, because if they're holding up at Griffin, then they can't do anything if you go straight to point. So
What does brute force mean? What does that mean?
Like the Griffin, the area.
No. Like what comp? You said brute force, and I don't understand
Like
what that means.
You mean like, do you mean meatball?
Yeah, meatball.
Okay.
So, okay. Yeah, Shadow go with tank.
Alright, as meatball, do we want to be pushing around left or going under Griffin?
We should push left so that we can minimize the amount of time they actually see us. And
Okay,
then we
so
just,
through Vikings or through main and then around left?
That's-
Vikings.
Okay.
Yeah. The safe entrance. And then we speed through that opening and we just go flood through left side on the point. Try and create space for next to get in position and do stuff. Squid with us.
Left.
Yeah, left.
Okay, I'm gonna speed us in once we get to that point. So
Yep.
going in 3, 2, 1, speeding.
They're holding Griffin.
Yep. So just go around straight to point.
Yep, I'm touching.
There's a tracer behind
Okay.
us everywhere.
Tracer's behind us. Okay, she's on the high ground.
I hear you.
Stun.
Okay, who are we aiming at?
Shield broken.
Traces and McCree on
McCree's
high
also
ground.
top left. McCree's top left.
Contact.
Shield breaker.
He's off top left.
Nice.
We need to get this Orisa down.
Come on, you next.
Mercy low.
Nice.
Mercy one, Mercy
Mercy
one.
left side.
McCree.
And McCree.
Mercy. I'm going after Mercy.
McCree dead.
Nice job, Wave next.
Tracer's behind.
Yep, Tracer.
Nice pin.
Thank you. Nice.
Nice.
Have shatter.
Nice job.
Brandon, can you stay on point so you can speed boost everybody else? The flex tank should be pushing up, not the guy with all the mobility.
Yeah. Alright. McCree's high, rest of them look like they're low.
Yep.
She was at 12, 11, 10. That's half.
Alright,
9.
if
Okay, it's low. I'm taking it down. Yeah. Oh, sorry, dude.
oh, straight come back here. Yeah.
We're still up.
Yep.
Nice.
Lol. Reminds
Keep talking, hurry up.
We're just pushing a real slow back.
Ryan's one.
I'm on the Ryan.
Coming up to the.
I'm going back to point. Oh, so low.
Spit out.
Oh my god, I'm scared of
Nice, thanks.
Get out.
I'm pushing
I
back
wanted
up.
to EMP that so bad.
Someone's half. Mercy's half.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my
nice.
god.
Nice shot,
Ready?
Randall.
EMP in 3, 2, 1.
Jab.
Oh, you're down.
Huge.
Oh, you're down.
I'm on. Yep, we're on cart.
Run.
Great.
McCree's one.
Background.
Tracer on
Background.
point.
Tracer on point.
She is going to the right.
Yeah.
She's going behind.
Ooh.
Why?
I don't know, but we take those.
Okay, most of them are here.
I hear you.
Let's just keep pushing again.
No.
Yeah.
Push.
Grandal on cart. Everybody else go.
Everyone else
Or
go.
main. Sorry. Okay, we're pushing them. We're pushing them now.
Pushing.
Got stunned.
I got stunned by that. Okay.
Ryan's hack.
Alright,
Oh,
they're
I'm
using
so far
other
behind.
ults.
Behind. Oh, that's
Yeah.
Good job. Careful next. You're way.
My
Let's
idea
back
was
out.
that
Yeah, we're gonna back
they
out.
were. My idea was they were trying to back out, so I wanted us to. Push.
Tracer's near you, pair.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying.
Mercy's one. Lol. They're like all looking for me, but they're not gonna find me.
Nice one.
Moira's hack.
Yeah, no one can follow
Got
up.
Mercy.
Nice.
Oh.
Ryan.
Nice.
Nice, run it.
Everyone else move forward.
Huge!
Nice,
Oh my
dude.
god, I am stealing these final blows.
Shadow, you're low.
Alright.
Chase is coming. No, recall. Bye.
Wow.
Nice.
Mercy half, left side. I'm gonna beat to initiate. 3, 2,
Alright.
1.
Mercy. Mercy half.
Right side. Left side.
Sorry, it's hack.
Tracer point.
Bad shot.
Moira's behind.
Sorry,
Mercy in us. Mercy court.
Ryan one.
Here.
Oh, Mercy. Oh, I got hammered.
They're all low.
Mercy dead.
That's bad.
I'm dead.
Moira.
Tracer, sad.
Yeah, we wipe.
Nice. Recruit.
I died once at the end. Holy shit, guys. Good job.
Yeah.
What are they?
Literally
Good boy.
killed 2 people by spamming corners.
Dude, that's the best. It's like, I'm helping. Look at me. I'm in kill feed. Alright, what are we doing?
I don't know, same thing. I
You
kinda wanna
hold
hold
behind.
point top though.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
like overlooking the
boat.
point?
Yeah, high ground. Boat, high
boat.
ground.
I love the boat.
Okay.
So we definitely want, like... Do we want Zen Moira? I don't know. Because it's a long way
for it.
to get Alicia.
Honestly, I'm not concerned.
Yeah.
Whatever you
Yeah.
wanna play.
We have the subs. Let's do some Zen Moira. And then if respawns are rough, I'll go Alicia.
Yeah.
Science will reveal the truth.
Okay, so we're gonna let them come to us.
Yep. Because if we hold Griffin, they can just do to us what we did to them, and then
Yep.
we're on the attack.
Alright, so Squid, you're gonna be the one who has to drop the contest, because everybody else dies if they drop.
I can drop
Okay.
as well.
I mean, you can't get back up though, you know?
Right.
Check out this dank shield. Well, you pushed me. Boo. Move your
I
fat
didn't
ass.
push you.
It's
Yeah,
so
you did. Your fat body moved me.
Next time I push you.
I'm not even here.
See?
You're
Look
just
at that.
brighter pink now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wow, that's a nasty shield.
Yeah, I know.
Hello there.
Hopefully they let me jump peek them.
I'm gonna hack a mini behind us.
We could also hold in there.
No. And snack?
I feel like
Where I'm
spam
shooting.
can easily get you.
I mean, we could, but like, why would we?
They have a monkey.
Watch my tracks.
They have a Pharah.
Yep,
Where were they
that's
going?
fine.
Diva.
Just be careful not to get caught into the ocean, into the briny depths.
Wow, that is a nasty shield.
Yeah, Pharah's just
Coming
spamming it
left.
down though.
They're on point now.
Diva's hacked?
They're on us.
Or she's
Oh,
not.
Winston
Winston,
jumped on
Winston,
us?
We're down.
Winston, Winston.
Diva,
Oh god, I'm
D-Max.
already low.
Careful.
I'm on the roof.
Might point if we can.
I'm down.
Mora.
No healers. I'm going to Alicia.
Yep.
I'm going Winston. I don't like fighting.
Back.
I don't like that hold at all. When we're aggressive, we win. We should be playing aggressive.
Can
Okay.
you
Oh,
feed me
you
to?
just won,
Can
you
you
just
feed
won.
me to?
I saw that.
No.
What?
Oh no.
Reset. We'll hold right here.
Oh.
We'll just do it next time.
Oh god.
You should have done that when you died.
I didn't die.
Careful. Nice. A lot of them here. Kenji can die.
Nice.
That's a Winston.
Careful, your healers are
Yep.
not there.
Alright, we're good. I'm fine.
Be careful.
Oh, what? Thanks, Squid.
Squid?
You scared me.
No, she defense matrixed me.
Oh, okay.
We had 6
I would have died.
I mean,
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Diva discorded?
Where's the
Mercy discorded?
Monkey just jumped in our back line.
Monkey
Genji
jump
on
down.
our
Let's go,
right.
Monkey. Shit.
Yeah.
Dead?
Not with you guys there.
That's a very angered monkey.
He's angry.
Be angered.
I'm down.
Nope.
Alright, let's group up for Sky.
Yeah, we're trickling.
Okay. I'm the only one not there. Let's engage in 3, 2, 1.
Winston on me.
Winston, just go in.
Dead.
Drop.
Eris hacked?
Where?
Mercy's got Valk.
I hear you. Get Mercy, get Mercy.
Mercy dead.
Moira discorded.
Genji's hacked.
Thank you.
Diva's down. Getting speed.
Genji under pylon.
Oh, thank you.
Deflect down.
I'm standing in car just in case somebody tries to back.
Yeah.
I hear you. Genji's down.
He's getting healed.
Alright,
Genji's hacked.
I'm still on guard. Can we reset to me? Can we reset to me? They're just gonna go around top side and I'm gonna
Yeah.
die. I can see the future.
Up here.
Who's right there? Next. Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're tanking. Genji's up
I'm gonna-
here. I don't like that.
Okay, no, you're gonna ult for this.
Winston's one.
Yep.
What?
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 Got him.
What? Literally?
Oh my god.
How? I need to be more careful with this.
Diva's up mid. Get this win tone.
Nice.
I'm trying to watch out for Farrah.
Nice.
Good job. Good job. Let's push on.
Nice. I'm staying on cart.
Mercy's half. Good job. Good job. Moira's half.
Come back.
Yeah, back it. Back it. Let's kill this Diva.
Leave this, Steve. Leave her. She
No,
has
leave it,
nerf.
leave it.
She
Oh,
has
leave it?
nerf.
Okay.
He is 50% to mech, by the way.
She has nerf.
We have 6 ult though.
Oh, Grindel.
Just go now.
Nice.
6 daggers.
She
I
does
couldn't
have
see her.
My
I
aim is
almost got
so
first.
bad.
Okay, crop 6.
Okay, EMP. Genji's top.
Oh, wait for
EMP.
the pushing
3,
on us.
2, 1.
Oh.
Good job,
Mercy
good job.
didn't get it. Mercy's hacked.
Winston's down. Mercy's in the far room. Mercy's alone. I'm with you, Squid.
Diva's top right. She has bomb.
Can you watch cart?
Oh no. Soldier.
I'll watch Mark. But
Okay.
Alright, we're fine. We're out.
I'll watch cards since I'm walking.
Oh.
Wow.
nice.
Well,
We're gonna need that thing now. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Genji's hacked.
He's discorded.
dead. Oh,
Double.
no. I got pushed into it. Come on.
Sucks.
Oh fuck.
That's
We grew up
200
on cart. We
IQ
grew up on
right
cart.
Winston on me in the backline. Winston on supports in the
I'm with
backline.
you, I'm with you,
Low.
I'm with you.
Yep. He's going under pylon.
Nice.
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 He's down.
Diva's hacked. Diva's
Our
hacked.
Squiddy.
Oh, what's that?
They're coming after me.
Wait, I'm gonna do
Dead,
a
dead,
drop
dead.
assassination.
I'm on Mercy.
Okay. I'm down.
More
Oh,
half.
Winston behind.
Oh fuck. Winston.
No healers. No healers.
They have
It's
both
just a Winston.
point.
It's just a Winston.
No, they have Devo there too.
Okay, it's just tanks. We're fine.
Diva's almost down there.
I'm bullying Winston.
Nice.
Diva is
He's low. He's low.
We have beat for this next fight.
Yeah, we did.
Although they're gonna have high noon, so like.
I
Yeah.
broke their mech.
We
Nice.
have
Actually.
EMP. Alright, so next, when they high noon, I want you to EMP and then I'm gonna counter high noon.
Okay.
Does EMP cancel hunter?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's a channel ability.
I don't know if he's gonna just.
Like Disney Channel.
I think he went
Mercy
left.
half. They're in left. They're in the left building.
Hey, this Diva's gonna have bank again.
Low.
Nice.
That is.
Okay, EMP 3. Or.
I'm ready.
Oh my lord.
They're on,
Ready.
They're on cart.
Okay.
Good job, good job.
Mercy's 1. Nice.
Okay.
Bye.
You're about even.
Get the Diva.
Or is low. Nice.
They have 22 seconds.
Yep.
Oh,
Don't go
nice.
to him. Don't go to him.
Yeah,
Yep.
we're just getting around.
Oh, nice D-Mac, y'all. Alright, let's reset. I'm going back to this high ground. It's fucking
That's
dank. I love it.
Yeah, this
Still have
pretty good
some
spot.
berries. We have
Winston
some-
jumping in.
Oh, they're coming high.
Okay, careful. I don't have support up there.
Yeah, I don't have my ult. I'm
I'm
back.
up here.
Nice.
They didn't touch.
They didn't touch. G9.
Wow.
You gotta touch!
Unlucky game.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my clothes out.
I would call that a lucky game. That was pretty good one.
Alright, we got like one more, then we switch.
Oh my
Oh.
god, two wins?
Done.
You got flashed.
Fuck this flash. Speed out.
Let's go, Shadow. That's what I like to see.
Uncontested high ground.